Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tech tutorial on how to sign into Google Classroom in 2025. Whether you're a student gearing up for classes or a teacher managing assignments, this guide will get you logged in smoothly and securely. Google Classroom has evolved, but the basics remain straightforward, making it easier than ever to connect. First, ensure you have a Google account. If you don't, visit accounts.google.com to create one. It's free and takes just a minute. This is your key to accessing Google Classroom and other Google services. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your computer, phone, or tablet, and head to classroom.google.com. You can also download the Google Classroom app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for a mobile-friendly experience. Step 2. On the homepage, you'll see a Sign In button. Click or tap it, then enter the email address or phone number linked to your Google account. Make sure it's the one associated with your school or organization. Step 3. Next, you'll be prompted for your password. Type it in carefully and hit Next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which we highly recommend for security, you'll receive a verification code via text or email. Enter that code to proceed. Step 4. Once verified, you'll be directed to your Google Classroom dashboard. Here, you can browse your classes, join new ones with a code from your teacher, or start creating assignments if you're an educator. A quick tip. If you run into issues, like a forgotten password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Always log out when you're done, especially on shared devices, to keep your information safe. And there you have it. You're all set for 2025's Google Classroom. This process is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on learning. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.